Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a review and unboxing of the ADIDAS Predator Freak 0.3 LL firm grounds. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we're able to do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at what, in my opinion, is one of the most iconic football boots families ever to have graced the pitch. And we got a look at the ADIDAS Predators. These are the Freak 0.3 LL, and we got the firm grounds. So this is with the blades. We got this in the core black and solar yellow colorway. We got these in the UK size 8, it's a European 42, and it's US size 8.5. And just before we get unboxing, I just want to make a big shout out to our boy Anson. Thank you, Anson, for letting us review your football boots. Luckily, they're my size. Size 8 when it comes to ADIDAS, so works very well. I'm going to try these on before Anson, so sorry Anson. And I don't have a ball here in the studio, unfortunately, but if you want to see us take them to the pitch, do some on-feet reviews, performance reviews as such, let us know in the comment section below. We don't know what you guys want from us unless you engage, so let us know. Let's go unboxing. So here we have a look at these. I mean, growing up, I've always seen the best wear ADIDAS football boots. David Beckham, Zidane, just to name a couple. I'm pretty sure there's many more, but those are the two off the top of my head, and I'll always remember David Beckham's Predator boots. They were so nice. But today we have a look at the new generation of Predators. Very different to the old ones. The old ones had the best tongue, the free stripe on the sides. It's all incorporated here. But before we get into the nitty gritty, those little details that I know you guys want to see, we'll start with the outsole. So the outsole, it's made out of raised plastics. Obviously this was built for the firm grounds, your soft grasses. Essentially, it's all grasses that you would play if you were able to play on a proper Premier League football pitch, any professional football league pitch anyway. You can play this on grass. Wouldn't advise you guys playing this on a 4G, you might slip. But no, these are really nice. Color coordinated to the blue and the solar yellow that you're gonna see on the uppers, and which we'll move up on. So you look at this upper, it's an all textile upper unit. Heat pressed plastics make the overall upper of the sneaker. Sorry, I'm so used to reviewing sneakers. It's rare that we get a football boot review, but we are excited to do them. Big football fan here. We don't call them soccer, it's football here. But yeah, these are dope. I mean, they remind me of the old school Predators, the free stripes right here. Big call out, free stripes. And these are known as the Demon Scales. I can't think of anyone that would wear this particular pair. I mean, football player wise that wear the Predators. You've got David Alaba from, is he at Bayern Munich still? I don't think he's at Bayern Munich anymore. But I know for certain Paul Pogba, he wears Predators, so that's my main Predator guy at the moment. I'm pretty sure there's more. Let me know, I totally forgot. So let us know in the comment section below. Who else wears these Predators that you know of? I can only think of Paul Pogba. But moving on to player-wise, let's get into the little details. As I mentioned, this is the Demon Scale. So the whole plastic surrounding this, it's essentially a knitted sock liner. It's very reminiscent of Demon Scales or Dragon Scales. You can see the little patterning here that surrounds the whole football boot. Very lightweight, as I mentioned. This is essentially a sock liner. No laces. You just slip your feet in and out. It's going to be snug. That's what you want with your football boots nowadays. And more recently, there's very little material. to protect your feet. It's great. You're able to be more graceful. You're not going to be dragging your feet a lot because it's very heavy. Be able to be more mobile because of the lightweightness and the materials or lack of materials that make these football boots. There is so much lack of materials. Like right here, there's no laces, but it's for that snug look, for that lockdown support. It's a polyurethane insole with the Predator logo that's in there. What I'm worried about is lack of protection, I would say, because I played in these kind of lightweight football boots in the past before. When you get trampled on, it hurts. Back in the day when it was all leather uppers, there was a bit more protection. But to be fair, football back in the 90s, they were so much more rough, and early 2000s. That's when it was great for us Arsenal fans. We were invincibles back in the day. Not going to be talking about that anymore. But yeah, I mean, as a plus, it's really lightweight. You can grace the pitch more gracefully. The more I see the lack of materials, you can see why players are kind of getting more injury prone, but that's just a conversation for another time. Overall, I like this. Just want to get into the little bits that I totally forgot about. So in the heel, you got the Predator logo in this fluorescent yellow. Easy to pull, you can slip your feet in. Easy to slip your heel in as well. I'm going to demonstrate that when we do the on feet. And that rounds off my football boot review of these beautiful Predator Freaks. I don't know why they're called the .3 LLs. I don't know if it's a football player. I can't think of any football players off the top of my head with initials LL. Let's play a game. If there are any, mention it in the comment section below. Let's try these on. Ahead of our friend Anson, who's going to grace the pitch. Again, guys, let us know if you want to see us playing these. And yeah, we'll just show that footage of me trying these on and giving you a little taste. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a true to size fit. I am a UK size 8 when it comes to ADIDAS products. Luckily, it's the same for the football boots. You kind of saw me struggle, put my feet in, but that's a given. These are football boots. They're tight. You don't really expect anything more, nothing less as well. It was weird, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Just the feel, it is snug, as I mentioned, and as I expected. But at the end of the day, these are football boots that aren't meant to be slipping away from my feet. And at the end of the day, again, they lock my feet down. I feel very supported. Worried if I go in for the 50-50 and someone clatters into my feet, it's not that very protective because they're very lightweight. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna twang people up in these and score goals. That's all we're here for. Before we do the little 360, guys, let us know if you want to see us do performance reviews, if you want to see us in action, highlighting our football skills or lack of. But let us know, we don't know. You need to engage. So please, please, please drop some love in that comment section below. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on the Instagram. That is with a Z at the end. Before I sound off, big shout out to our boy Anson. Follow his YouTube channel. I believe it's Anson H. He streams, he shows Warzone and Apex Legends. It's him gaming, he's a big gamer, so go follow him. Tell him Oneupreviewz sent you on their way. Until next time guys, peace.